Is your hair dry, thinning, or breaking too much? Let me show you a powerful DIY hair mask that transforms I and my daughter hair. It only takes 5 to 6 ingredients, 5 ingredients that I put inside. So let's start the video, guys. As you guys can see, I put my 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder into my bowl. So the next thing that I'm adding is my olive oil. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Okay, I choose to add olive oil. So the next ingredient that I'm adding is my honey. Honey also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay guys, so please watch to the end, because after that I'll explain to you guys the benefit of using it, or the importance of adding these things into your hair mask. So the next ingredient that I'm adding is my vitamin E oil. Okay, vitamin E oil is also good, but it's I cannot tell you that it's optional. Yeah, if you have it, it's good for you to add inside. So the next one, I'm adding vegetable glycerin. Okay, I'm going to add less vegetable glycerin inside. So let's start the video, guys. Today I am sharing a powerful hair mask using 5 simple ingredients: fenugreek powder, honey, olive oil, vitamin E oil, glycerin. This blend is rich in nutrients that deeply nourishing, strengthening, and growing your hair naturally. So I cannot, this thing, the thing that I'm holding is my hair tea. I make the hair tea with clove, hibiscus, and lavender. So I strain it. You can come back and watch the video also. I will post the video soon into my page. So that one, I take part of it and I used to mix my fenugreek, my ingredients. That one I'm adding to mix. Maybe you can also do the same thing, or you can do what? You can just make some warm water and mix everything together. Okay guys, so let us check and see. Let's check and see fenugreek powder. Fenugreek powder is growing, it's medical, medical for grow. It strengthens the roof. It strengthens the roof, stopping hair falling, and also adding volume to your hair. It's also shining, giving you some shine. When you are putting it into, you will see some shine in your hair, natural shine in your hair. You yourself, your hair will tell you thank you later for using it. So guys, as you guys can see, fenugreek is always, I don't know how I'm going to say it in English, but when you make it, is proven, or is it proven? You can make it, you are thinking that is small, but later when you see it's going to be too much. So now, as I'm seeing it this way, I'll add another water and leave it again for 5 minutes before, but definitely I'm going to strain it, because when I'm doing it, I can feel some particles inside. That is why I'm going to strain it. So let's check and see the honey also. Honey is also natural humectant. It's also locking in moisture, adding softer and bringing out of the natural shine in your hair. So when you are putting honey inside, Charlie, you are going to enjoy it. So guys, as you guys can see, that's the chaff of the fenugreek. So when you are doing it, even when you use the powder form, you may say that, oh, because I'm using powder form, it's okay, but still, remind you guys, there's this chaff inside. But this chaff, what am I going to do with it? Maybe you may wonder. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it as a body scrub in my body. So if you do it that way, don't throw it away. I know if you do it as a body scrub, your body is going to love it. So now, after straining it, guys, mind you, when I was doing, I added 1 olive oil tablespoon. So I added tablespoon oil also inside again. So after everything, now guys, I bring my spray earlier, the one I used to mix inside my fenugreek. I told you guys I make a hair tea, hair spray. So that one, I bring it out to start hydrate my daughter hair. Don't use hair mask while your hair is dry. Don't use hair mask while your hair is not clean. Always make sure to wash your hair prepare your hair. Let your hair be very clean before you put hair mask into your hair if you are looking for benefit for hair mask. So guys, you guys can see I washed my daughter hair 2 days ago. Yesterday I make hot oil treatment to my daughter. I'm not missing all these things. Anytime when I open her hair, I'll always make sure to take all these steps before I make another protective style for her again. So I do the hot oil treatment yesterday, and today also I'm going to do the hair mask. So after that time the hair will be ready for me to make another protective style for her. So guys, you can see how my daughter hair, how shiny it is, right? That's the natural way. So now this is my Fenugreek, my hair mask. You can see how smooth. After straining it, you can get the very smooth foam. You see how very smooth my things look like now. So now it's time for me to do what? To put into my daughter hair. So let's check and see. Olive oil. Olive oil is also deeping, conditioner, dry and breathing hair. It helps reduce breaking and also improving elasticity. So if you are putting olive oil into your hair, you know, it's also nourishing your hair, giving you a healthy hair. If you are looking for a healthy hair, if you are looking for a bush hair, try to be doing it. But if you have a low porosity hair like my daughter, don't make olive oil like use it as a infusing oil for your hair. You can use it and go maybe from sit like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Maybe when you are making a hot oil treatment, for example, you can use it that way and go and wash it off, because you don't need to keep it inside your hair. Anyway guys, I will come back to that place. We will discuss about when you are using the heavy oils. If you have a low porosity hair and you are using the heavy oils to your hair, I will tell you guys the right way or the best way that you can use it. So let's continue. Guys, my daughter promised me that she's not going to leave this hair mask for me alone. You know, all the time when I'm doing her hair, she also wants to put her hand inside. First, she used to eat the mask, but now I can see that because of she's growing, because now she's 2 years now, so she can understand things very well, or small now. Although she's not yet talking, but she can understand me when I'm talking to her, say no, don't do that, don't do this. She will understand me. So now she stopped eating the hair mask, but she always want to put her hand inside, also want to do the hair mask by herself. Guys, you can see how look at how the thing is absorbing. Look at the curls of my daughter hair. You yourself, you can feel it. Even you can feel the thing that the head, how the head, look at the head is bouncing, right? Her hair is just bouncing. I know the hair is telling me, thank you mama, thank you for taking care of me, I need it. Yes, I know her hair need it. All of us, our hair need this type of mask, because when you are doing things, or if you want to manage your natural hair, try to be doing this type of thing to make your hair always soft, you know, because if your hair is dry or your hair is hard, it's difficult for you to do what? To manage it. So let's see the benefit. Let's check the benefit of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also boosting blood circulation to the scalp, supporting healthy follicles, and also replacing damaging hairs. So if you have damaging hair or dandruff in your hair and you are using vitamin E to your routine, it's something that it will help you to replace the hair. If your hair is damaging, your hair is breaking, you are adding vitamin E oil to it, you are going to solve your problem. Okay guys? Guys, actually I know you guys has already seen it, how it started. After all these ingredients that I added inside, the only thing, make sure you mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well. And you can do it even if you have time. Even I can tell you that just add your hot water, leave it the next day, that time everything will get smooth. But for me, you know, I didn't do it that way because I didn't remember. Please, sorry, I didn't remember to make it. Actually, not remember, because it was night and I want to take the video of it. That's why I didn't prepare it in the night and leave it this morning to do it. So I just want to, yes, sorry, So guys, always make sure to mix it very well. After mixing it, like the way you guys see me what I do it, if you feel like the particles, they still, it's not smooth enough like the way you want it to be smooth, then the next thing you can do, just find some clean napkin or clean hanky or something that is having some small tiny hole, so that you can use to do what, to strain it, okay, as the way that I did, because I was feel like the particles was too much. If I do it, I'm going to use it like that for my daughter. I know my daughter, to wash her hair will spoil a lot of water for washing the hair, so you have to strain it for you to get the smooth part of the mask. So as we all know, our hair deserve love and care. Try this mask and let me know how it worked for you, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave the comments in the comments below after using it, or if you use it before, please share it with me. How was your experience for putting fenugreek into your hair, whether you are using fenugreek or you are mixing fenugreek powder, fenugreek seed with flaxseed? Let me know in the comments below. How was it? Oh, my daughter. So it's two things. Because some people can do hair mask without combing, they will make finger detangle. It's all the same, okay? You can use the finger detangle, or you use your hands to, you use white comb to do it. So the benefits, all the ingredients, the benefit, fenugreek is boosting hair growth and thicker. So when you are using fenugreek to your hair, you will get, your hair will be boosting, your hair will be growing thicker. It will be growing, I don't know, because you guys can even see my daughter. It's not something that I'm going to say again. You can see my daughter hair, how it's full, it's fuller and thicker. It's just a bush hair. My daughter is having bush hair. So all this is coming because of the natural things that I'm using for my daughter. So, and honey also is moisturizing and adding shine to your hair. When you are adding honey into your hair routine, you will get, your hair will be moisturizing naturally and also adding natural shine. Also, olive oil is also deep conditioning and softening hair. So if you are adding olive oil into your routine, also, it's also the same thing that you will get. It's also conditioning your hair naturally and adding softening. It's also softening your hair so that it can be easier for you to manage it. As I said, though, who have the strong hair or stubborn hair, that I'm going to say, because there are some people that their hair is very hard. So you can try this hair mask and let me know how your hair is feeling now. So vitamin E oil also strengthening and replacing hair. If you have dangerous hair, or if your hair is breaking and you are adding vitamin E oil to your hair, it's always replace the bad one, replace it, make it like when something is spoiling, you try to do what, to repel it. So it's going to, you can use that things to repair your hair, so that to protect your hair from breaking, to protect your hair from any bad things that is going to happening or going to destroy your hair. When you are using all those things, is going to do what, to protect it. Glycerin also, I'm not talking, glycerin is amazing. It's also adding moisture into your hair. Glycerin, if you are adding it to your routine in a day or 2 days, it depends on how you can manage to maintain your hair. Glycerin also can hold the hair moisture throughout of the day. So if you are adding glycerin also inside, your hair is going to maintain the moisture throughout the day, or 2 days or 3 days. It depends how you can manage your hair. But mind you guys, I'm going to tell you people, all these things, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, or you are looking for a way to maintain your natural hair, these are the things that you don't need to miss it in your wash day. These are the things that you don't need to miss. try to be doing it all the time. In your wash day, you try to do it. And as maybe you may wondering, if I do it like this, how long this thing is going to stay in my daughter hair? Actually, it depends of your hair, or it depends of your child, because this way I'll cover it with rubber bag. Okay, you can cover with rubber bag, or you cover it with shower cap. It depends, whatever that you want to do it. So after covering it, try to make sure that you let the hair sit like 30 to 45 minutes. At least maximum 45 minutes time, you go and wash it. Or if it is less than 30 minutes time, you go and wash it. And my daughter, maybe someone may wonder, my daughter, can she have that patience to sit down? Yes, it depends. It depends, because sometimes I can do it. When I do it, I just leave that rubber bag, you know. I think it's irritating her. She's feeling like something is inside her hand. If she just put the hand inside and touch the rubber, you know, she's trying to remove the rubber from her hair. So normally what I'm doing now is I'll use the rubber to cover her hair. So after covering the hair, guys, just watch and see how I'm going to cover your hair. Her hair. So if you have a baby or you have a child, when I'm saying baby also, if you have a child and you are going to use all these things for your child, please try to put some pads and see whether your child hair is having allergy for that or not before you can use it for your baby. Don't just make the hair mask and put it into her hair like that. Take some pads, taste it, and see her reactions, whether she's itching the hair or is irritating the child, so that if you see that it's okay, then you are good to use it. Because this thing, whether you are having low porosity hair or high porosity hair or medium porosity hair, this hair mask is good for all the hair type for you to use it for your hair. Please guys, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Princess and her mother, please support us by liking the video, support us by sharing our video. What we do here, I do DIY things. I'm growing my daughter hair. I'm doing hair growth challenge in 2025. At the same time, we are bringing our lifestyles, whatever that we are doing, especially when we make travel, we go to Spain or Turkey, we bring some videos around wherever that we just travel to. We'll bring our travel vlogs also here. So what we are doing is our travel vlogs and DIY, but most important is our DIY things that I'm doing. And also don't forget guys, I'm doing live streaming. Sometimes I make silence live stream, sometimes I come live, me and Princess. So if you see me coming live, please help me, okay? Support your girl by joining our live, support me by liking my live, support me by watching, support by commenting, because you guys engagement will make the YouTube for them to push our video off. Mind you guys, my channel was monetized, but they demonetized me again, so it make me, my channel is not performing good as usually. Okay, they demonetized me, so now I'm suffering. I'm working hard to get my 4,000 watch hour before I can even apply again. Now you guys, you can see my daughter, she's so tired. Thank you very much for watching.